Okay, first of all, before starting the inspection, we must comply with all the safety regulation. Wear the proper PPE, such as a safety helmet, safety shoes, and coverall, is to ensure that the safety while the working in this area. However, in this office area, the use of the PPE depends on the requirement and the type of the work being carried out. We also ensure that the working area is safe and comply with the SOP, which is a standard operation procedure before performing any activities. Why the fire and gas detector system is important? Because it to detect hazardous conditions such as a gas or fire leaks. When the hazard is detected, the system will activate an alarm or trigger the emergency shutdown system is to prevent the accident and protect worker, equipment, and the environment. There are many types of the detector, but I will explain three. First is the gas detector, which is used to detect the combustible or toxic gas in the hazardous area. It works by using the sensors such as the infrared or the electrochemical sensor to detect change in the gas concentrations. When the gas level exceeds the limit, it will trigger an alarm. Next, this is the flame detector, which can detect the percent of the fire based on infrared or ultraviolet radiation. It works by identifying the radiation pattern emitted by a flame, allowing it to respond quickly when a fire occurs. And the last one is a gas detector, which can detect the smoke particle in the air as an early sign of the fire. It works using the optical or ionization particle when the percent of the smoke will affect light or electric current inside the detector and activate the alarm. Now we perform a visual inspection focusing on the smoke detector. First, we check the physical condition such as cleaners, any damage, and proper installation. Second, we must ensure that the detector is installed in the correct location, especially in areas with a higher risk of fire. Third, we verify the detector is properly connected to the control panel and it functioning normally. And the last one, if possible, we perform a function test to ensure that the smoke detector can detect a smoke and trigger the alarm. For smoke detector testing, usually carry out using a smoke detector to simulate the percent of the smoke. This is to ensure that the detector can respond properly when the smoke is present. We are also observe the panel indicate to ensure that the signal from the smoke detector is correctly received by the system. Next, I will explain the system performance on the smoke detector. Based on my observation, the smoke detector is installed in a suitable location such as on the ceiling to ensure the effective smoke detector. However, the distance between detectors can affect the coverage area. If the detections are too far apart, it may delay fire detections. In addition, dust accumulate on the smoke detector can reduce its sensitivity and affect the overall system performance. Overall, the fire detector system is in good condition and functioning properly. All the smoke detectors are operating within the acceptable limits, although some units show the minor dust accumulate, which can be improved through the routine cleaning and maintenance.